Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you're signed into the personal account you intend to switch from. This avoids accidental logins. Once done, open the Instagram app and tap your profile icon in the bottom right. Next, tap the three-line menu, then Settings. This brings up account controls. Now, locate account or logins depending on your app version. This is where Instagram stores secondary login paths. Act now so you can add or switch without losing session access. Small prep prevents confusion. Next, you'll add or manage the other personal account. Tap Add Account or Logins, then choose Log into Existing Account. Type the exact username and password for that personal account. Accuracy matters. After logging in, enable Save Login Info so switching is fast later. If prompted, confirm two-factor codes. This secures access. Make sure to avoid using email or phone tied to a business profile because that can cause cross-account confusion. Once added, both personal accounts will appear in the switch list. Finally, switch accounts by long pressing your profile icon in the navigation bar or tapping the username drop-down at the top of your profile and selecting the other personal account. It's instant once saved. If switching fails, clear the app cache or reset the account password. This fixes token or credential mismatches. Make sure to log out of the single account if needed. Do not clear all logins unless you want to re-enter every account. One tip: enable two-factor for each personal account to avoid.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.